When I'm 25, I want to buy a Fender Rhodes that's only mine, and the perfect pair of my Fender Rhodes would be a nice dog. How I'd love a nice dog. So show me your favorite movies, and I'll show you every album I listen to, and tell me all your deepest, darkest secrets. Don't make friends, but I want more than that. If I were to be a dog, I'd be a lapdog that was too big to be a lapdog. And if you were a dog, you give me kisses on my knees while I sit at the bottom of the stairs to cry. But I don't know. Let me tell you. Can you explain how exactly can I sit here like I'm drowning? Does this all so temporary? So here, take my crystal ball, I'll be right here, and go away, go and conquer the world, I'll be right here.
I dreamed that you were blind, and I went walking, looking for the light, but then I lost it, trying to bring the right thing home to you. see now that nothing is a waste until it runs out. I built myself a castle just to climb down and rifle through the fragments of my youth. And I've got everything I've ever felt lined up in pretty little bottles, one way in and one way out. My love, it's gonna be a while till I know who I am again after you. After you. So I wake here, floating on a cloud above the last year. And I can see the moon now as the fog clears. The stars were burning, we just looked away. And I'm grieving 100 little lives for every season. You have parts of me that I don't need, and though I tried, I could not fight the change. And I've got everything I've ever felt lined up in pretty little bottles, one way in and one way out. My love, it's gonna be a while till I know who I am again. Oh, and nothing much has changed except some blinding revelations. I am holding out my hands. A fickle heart requires patience, I know. And I'm on my way again after you. After you.
It's 5 o'clock.
I'll give you ukulele lessons Monday mornings if you're free. We can go to wherever we like, there's so much out there to see. You can paint a picture while we're playing of the palm trees in the air. I can sing you all that I've been saying. I like the color of your hair. All I really know is I was waiting. Now that love is ours to share. I'll drive if you put on the music. Poor Simon is fine by me. We can take any road that we like. I've got nowhere else to be. Your eyes look prettiest on the water. Hope you don't mind that I stare. And I truly think you looked amazing when I saw you standing there. All I really know is I was waiting. Now that love is ours to share. I'll give you ukulele lessons Monday mornings if you. I'll give you ukulele lessons Monday mornings if you. I'll give you ukulele lessons Monday mornings and I'll give you ukulele lessons Monday mornings if you're free.
Your honey water wine, you